Alright, let's talk about securing AWS load balancers with certificates. Think of certificates as VIP passes for your data, ensuring it travels securely. We'll cover IAM's role in access control, the actual process of uploading SSL/TLS certificates, and the best practices to keep everything airtight. By the end, you'll be the bouncer of your cloud security. No unauthorized data sneaks past you. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine you're throwing a huge party, but only invited guests can enter. That's IAM. It manages permissions. Load balancers, on the other hand, ensure the dance floor isn't overcrowded. In SSL/TLS certificates, they make sure no one is eavesdropping on conversations. By combining them, you get a secure, efficient, and well-managed setup. So let's dive in. SSL/TLS certificates are like seat belts for your data, essential for safety. They encrypt communications so sneaky attackers can't listen in. Plus, they boost user trust since visitors prefer secure sites. Without them, your website looks sketchy, kind of like an abandoned theme park. So let's see why these certificates are a must-have. Certificates come in different flavors, kind of like coffee. PEM is the AWS favorite. PFX is the all-in-one package and DARE suits Java folks. Choosing the right one is important, or you'll end up with compatibility headaches. Let's break down these formats so your certificates always fit just right. Managing certificates manually is like babysitting, exhausting. Enter AWS Certificate Manager, your personal assistant for handling SSL/TLS certificates. It renews certificates automatically, integrates with AWS services, and makes security easier. Let's see how a CM saves you time and headaches. If you enjoy working in the command line, AWS CLI is your best friend. We'll prep the certificate, run some commands, and verify our work, all without leaving the terminal. Let's get typing and secure that load balancer. For those who prefer the visual approach, the AWS Management Console is here. Think of it as drag and drop security. We'll click through the steps, upload our certificate, and ensure it's assigned properly. No command line stress required. A certificate without a proper chain is like a movie without a plot, confusing and untrustworthy. Validation ensures trust in your certificates, preventing those dreaded browser security warnings. Let's check our certificates like pros. Even the best setups hit a few speed bumps. Maybe AWS doesn't like your certificate, or your private key mismatches. Frustrating but fixable. We'll run through common issues and solutions, so you can troubleshoot like a cloud expert. Alright folks, let's talk about default certificates. Those generic, factory-set ones that might be lurking in your system like expired milk in the fridge. They're convenient but risky. Hackers love them, and that's not a compliment. Replacing them with properly vetted certificates boosts security and keeps things in check. Think of it like upgrading from a flimsy lock to a vault door. So let's step up our game. Wildcard certificates sounds fancy, right? They're like VIP passes for your subdomains, allowing you to cover multiple areas with one certificate. That means less hassle, fewer headaches. But hold up, don't let convenience outshine caution. Mismanaging them is like leaving your house keys under the welcome mat. It's an open invitation for trouble. Keep security tight, and your wildcard certs will serve you well. Time for some security wisdom. Think of certificates like passwords. Weak ones are like using 123,456 and hoping for the best. Spoiler: it won't end well. Strong encryption is key, and regular updates are a must, because cyber threats don't take vacations. If a certificate is compromised, revoke it fast. And always keep an eye out for unauthorized use. Stay sharp, stay secure. IAM permissions can make or break your security. You wouldn't hand out your TMPIN to everyone, right? Same logic applies here. Limit access to certificate uploads. Only the right people should have the keys to the kingdom. Role-based access control keeps things organized, and tracking modifications ensures accountability. Less chaos, more security. Automation, because manually handling certificates is like juggling flaming torches, dangerous and exhausting. Automated tools ensure smooth deployment, fewer errors, and timely renewals. Plus, integrating them with security systems means you catch issues before they spiral out of control. Embrace the automation wave. It's here to make life easier. Ever had a certificate expire mid-operation? It's like showing up to a party with an expired invitation. Not fun. Set up alerts so you're never caught off guard. Regular audits help spot lurking issues, and compliance checks keep everything in top shape. A well-managed certificate is a happy certificate. We've covered a lot. Hope your brain isn't overloaded. The takeaway: secure certificates properly, automate where possible, audit regularly, and always stay ahead of security trends. Cyber threats evolve, but so can we. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and let's keep our systems safe. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.